Now we will move towards the disadvantages of wireless local area network. The first disadvantage is quality of service. The quality of service offered by the wireless local area network is lower as compared to wired local area network. The main reasons for the quality of service is due to the lower bandwidth, due to the limitation of use of radio transmission. Then another one is higher error rate, higher delays, variation due to error correction and detection mechanism. So due to these two, or you can say number of different reasons, the quality of service provided by the wireless local area network is low as compared to wired local area network. The another one is proprietary solution. Due to the standardization procedure, many companies have come up with their own proprietary solutions offering standard functionality plus some additional enhanced feature. But whenever the users, or you can say service provider, will provide the additional enhanced features into that standard functionality, in that case that additional functionality works or feature works only in that homogeneous environment, so those cannot be work globally, or you can say worldwide. That may be the problem due to the enhanced feature of that wireless local area network. So in short we can say that the enhanced feature of that wireless local area network can be work or can work only within that homogeneous environment where that features are enhanced or can say included. So that is nothing but proprietary solution. Then another one is restrictions. The restriction is nothing but, as we know, that all wireless products have to comply with the national regulations. The several government and non-government institutions worldwide regulate the operation and restrict the frequency to minimize the interference. So that is nothing but, we can say that as whichever the different wireless local area network which can be installed or can say used, that need to follow the regulations of government and non-government institution to establish that local area network. So whenever we have to establish the wireless local area network in the different countries, we need to follow the nation-wise limitations to establish that wireless local area network. So that is nothing but, we can say those are the restrictions, so that whichever the frequency which is used into the establishing the wireless local area network in India cannot be used in England or in another country. So that may be the restriction of establishing the wireless local area network. The same frequency bands, or we can say frequency range, cannot be used in all over the India, or in all over the countries, or we can say different countries, to establishing the local area network. So that is the restriction of establishing the local area network. The last disadvantage is related to safety and security. Using radio waves for the data transmission might interfere with other high technology equipments. That is nothing but, as we have already seen, that the radio waves of the different senders can be mixed with each other. So due to which the safety and security have very major issue whenever we are going to use or establish the wireless local area network to establish the communication. So senders and receivers are operated by layman and radiation has to be low. The special precaution has to be taken to prevent the safety hazards. The open radio interface makes much easier in wireless local area network, for example in case of fiber optics. So this is nothing but, we can say, related to safety and security. So as we are using the radio waves for the transmission, or we can say establishing the wireless local area network, so in that case that might create the problem of safety and security into the transmission. So this is nothing but, we can say, about the disadvantages of wireless local area network. So we have seen the different disadvantages such as quality of service, proprietary solutions, restrictions, safety and security related to the wireless local area network. Thank you. question can be asked for 4 marks. Explain disadvantages of wireless local area network.